Ukileta kitu ya ODM hapa, Sifuna can kill you. But where he draws the line is where matters Nairobi are being discussed.
In your individual words, if there's something that we can do together, let me know.
Hiyo nilikuwa nimeiba kuiba.
When did you ever see him do a public meeting?
Utajua ujui.
Walimu hoye! Nataka nichukue fursa hii niwashukuru kwa kukubali mwaliko wangu.
Najua tabu nimevuta bangi sana.
When did you ever see him do a public meeting to discuss the issues of Nairobi with the residents of this town?
Nairobi, I walk Korogosho ni afadhali kushinda Lumumba.
I will write to the county government and I will copy all of these chairs for the residents association in that letter.
Skip number 5.
When did you last see him being loud about Nairobi issues?
If somebody asks for a raincoat, Governor, which ones will you give raincoats and which ones do you think even if they are rained on, it's okay? Chair will give all of them. That's enough.
Salama, my friend.